In this video, I will show you how to download and install NexTV to your smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me. Now, if you want the NexTV application to your smart TV, this is what you can do. Now, you come to your App Store, you might not find it on your App Store. So this video is going to show you how to download the application without App Store or without Google Play Store. So I come back to this application called Downloader. It's very easy to use. In the description of this video, there is a short guide on how to install this application to your smart TV. So once you install this application, you are going to launch it. Once you launch it, in the search box, you are going to type in Next TV. Once you type in Next TV, you just go ahead and click on Go. Once you click on Go, Downloader is going to show you the sources on the internet where you can install the Next TV application to your smart TV. Alright, so you just have to find out to make sure you are using the right option. And I can see this first option looks like the right option. So you click on that and it's going to lead you to where you can download and install Next TV to your smart TV. Alright, so you come over here and then click on install. So that's the application. So you click on install and Next TV is going to be installed to your smart TV and you can go ahead and start using. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me for more important videos.